Money Transfer is a global service money transfer company, and it offers the ability to send money internationally to many countries via online transfer, mobile apps, and in-person agent locations. It cooperates in many countries and is available for sending and receiving in more than 80 plus countries. Here are certain things that you have to check before doing transitions. Fee and exchange rate transparency. Always check the exchange rate and see how much the recipient will receive. Here you can also see specific country limitations. Not every send receive option is available in every country. Here you can see some variations. Here you can also see limits. They are sending limit depending on country, method, and currency. And do check the pickup requirements, like if you have to take your ID, transfer code, send this information, always check the details. So now let's talk about how you can use. First you have to go and you have to log in or register yourself. Then you have to create an account by providing the email and the password. Then here for sending you have to go to send money. Then you can select the country you are sending to. Here you can also research for the country as well. After selecting the country you have to provide the information, like you can see here the exchange rates, the currency they will receive, and what are your exchange rates. Then you can select here payment method and delivery methods as well. After all these things you have to go and you have to tell them about yourself, like your name, your last name, your date of birth, your country of birth, and your occupation. After that you have to go and you have to provide them your address, like your street, postal code address. After that you have to go and you have to add new recipient. Here you can use also if you have already, like if you're sending to yourself you can select that, and if you're not then you have to go and you have to provide the name, last name, and all the information. Then you have to choose here a wallet, like you can use here Gcash or PayPal, or these are available. Then you have to enter here your wallet phone number. Here in the last you can see the whole summary, like you can see your recipient, destination, delivery, paying with, and all the information. Once you are satisfied, just go and confirm that. Here you can also use, if you are providing any additional information, you can use that here as well. I'm not providing, so I will just go with no here. Then here you have to provide the additional information, like if you have any connection with the recipient you have to tell them. If they are your blood relation or some co-worker you have to select here the option. And then here you have to select the validation information and the reason for transfer, and then the nationality of the person to whom you are sending. Once that, click on continue, and then you have to see here that for transition your ID must not be expire, and your photo is readable and has no like blurriness, and then your ID is not cut off in the photo. Once you have confirmed all these things, click on continue. Then here they will ask for verification, where you have to open your camera and show them yourself. Then they will verify yourself, and then after that you can send your money. And that's basically how you can do. And after that you can also go and you can track the transfer as well by providing here the PIN or order number. That's basically all about how you can transfer money via RIA by using all these new updates.